US Brazil relations, a growing partnership in trade, environment, and security. The relationship between the United States and Brazil is dynamic and evolving partnership with significant impact across various sectors. As the largest economic in the South America, Brazil play a crucial role in the US strategic interest in the regions, making this bilateral relationship essential for the both countries. Economically, the US and Brazil have a strong trade relationship with billions of dollars in goods and services exchanged annually. Key sectors include agriculture, energy, and technology. Brazilian export like soybean, iron ore, and oil are the vital for the US market, while American companies are heavily invested in Brazilian industries ranging from energy to finance. The two countries also collaborate closely on environmental issues. Brazil's vast Amazon rainforest is crucial for global climate stability, and the US and Brazil work together on initiatives aimed at combating deforestation and promoting sustainable development. This partnership is critical for addressing global climate change and preserving biodiversity. In terms of security, the US and Brazil engaged in various collaborative efforts, including joint military exercises and counterterrorism operations. This cooperation extended to addressing regional challenges such as drug trafficking and organized crime, enhancing stability in the South America. Culturally, the US and Brazil have shared strong ties through education exchanges, tourism, and shared interest in sport and arts. This vibrant cultures connections further strengthen the bond between the two nations. Overall, the US and Brazil relations is marked by growing economic ties, collaborative environmental efforts, and strong security cooperations, making it a key partnership for both the countries and the wider world.